Hi, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to take you through how to put in some VBA code to turn into a macro that will allow you to change everything on your active worksheet from formulas into values. So you are probably aware that one way of doing it is just to copy everything and then paste as values. You can usually do that, but if for some reason it's impractical to do that, or you would rather use a macro to do that, this is how you can put it in. Okay, so we'll begin a new module. Let's call it ConvertToValues. I think that's pretty much what we're doing. And as you'd expect, this one is pretty straightforward. So with the active sheet, the one that you'll be using, take everything in that range, and it'll take all of the results or the values that the formulas create. So dot value equals dot value. So taking the results, so you won't have formulas, you'll just be seeing the values. Now we end with that. Okay. Okay, so let's put some formulas in. Okay, we'll run the macro. And that changes all the formulas into values for you. So there you go. I don't know if you'll find this useful or not, but there it is for you if you do. Thanks for watching.